Kalakwachera, here we are in Brussels with Wella and my mom and Ricky. Come and join us. Yes, here we are to continue the celebration of my son Rico's 23rd birthday. Now we are here in Brussels. So we just park here outside and we will go walk to the center of Brussels. So come and join us, Kalakwachera. We will show them Brussels.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Hello guys.
You're in an influencer vlog.
También tenemos mandado por Corel, la bolsa de valores, el mercado bursátil, la Gran Plaza. Tenemos la estación de trenes de Amberes, preciosa, solo por
Saan?
Three.
Si Lola eh.
Ayan, tatawid na tayo. So, tapos na mag-picture. Right? Ingat. Going to the square of Brussels. Look, meron din ditong small market actually. At nakaihi muna kami dito sa isang building. And they have a nice book toilet. Yung painting niya. They also have a church here and they have a Christmas stable. We continue walking here in Brussels, and as I said, they have a small bazaar, Christmas bazaar here from the Ukrainians. So we're going to the square. Look, it's also nice. There's Christmas bazaar, small but nice. And now we are here to the big Grand Palace, the Grand Square of Brussels. Look, so beautiful with all the buildings and with Christmas tree. Grabe, daming tao as always naman. Dito laging maraming tao. They also have Christmas table and the Christmas tree here in the square now because it's Christmas, just finished the Christmas. So that's why they still have the stable, also the Christmas table. It's nice and big, huh? Normally we are here last summer and this is the carpet flower here where we are standing now. At ngayon, walang carpet flower. So, ayan, nandun kami last time. Nanood kami ng carpet flower. At puno ng flower dito noon. Summer, nung kaaalis lang ni Ricky. Ngayon, dito ka Ricky, walang flowers. So, but at least you see the surrounding. Ang ganda, di ba? At of course, ngayon maglalakad tayo papunta kay Manikipis. Visiting Brussels without going to Manikipis is not complete. Pakikita natin siya kay Mother Dear at kay Ricky at kay Wella. So, para makita nila kung ano yung Manikipis na sikat na sikat. Ayan o, sa mga tindahan also, maraming statue ng Manikipis. Ay, ano ba yan? Biglang may pumasok ng taong ulo. Habang naglalakad tayo papuntang Manikipis. Ayan, pa-picture ka nga Ricky dyan sa tao na walang ulo.
Pagtalikod.
Ayan, umalis na si taong walang ulo. We continue our journey to Manikipis.
Ricky, oh.
Grabe, ang daming tao nagpapapicture. Dati akala ko laki ng Manikipis. Ang liit-liit lang niya pala. Ayun siya mao. Kita mo.
Yan, nakasolo ka. Yan, nakasolo ka.
At dito sinariko pala sa loob ng Manikipis, das opposite side, at nagkakape. Ayaw nilang makigulo sa labas sa pagpapapicture kay Manikipis. Pero halika na, lumabas na kayo at kailangan nating magpapicture kay Manikipis for Rico's birthday. Happy birthday Rico, sabi ni Manikipis. Ikaw din kaya tumayo ang ganyan, pipicturean kita.
1, 2, 3.
You can go there.
3.
You can go there. We have also.
Ayan, picture tayo kay Manikipis, mga kamukha ko. At maglalakad naman tayo ngayon pabalik. At we will pass by again the square. Pabalik tayo lalakad. We're going to Anikipis, yung kapartner ni Manikipis. Doon naman ang punta natin. So we are here passing by the square. Picture ulit tayo dito sa square. Ayan, natapos na magpicture sa square, hahanap naman tayo ng kakainan at iihian. Here, nakahanap kami ng waffle place na meron kaming maiihian. Salamat naman na may CR. So, we're eating Belgian waffle, the original Belgian waffle in Brussels. Kain tayo. Cheers for the Belgian waffle. Happy birthday, Bibi Rico ko. After kumain, lakad ulit tayo kasi pupunta tayo kay Aniki Peace. Uy, ang dami nila rito marami silang lemon, ang lalaki pa. Grabe. Ayan, pupunta tayo sa Aniki Peace. Aniki Peace. At ang lemon na napakalaki.
Lemon, no?
So, eto na si Aniki Peace, ang kapartner nung Maniki Peace. Ayan, umiihi din siya. Mga nag-iihian sila. Ano ba yan? Nakakahiya naman. Oh, picture naman kayo dyan sa Aniki Peace. May picture kayo dun sa lalaki, may picture din kayo sa babae. Oh, ayan, diba? At malapit lang dyan sa Aniki Peace actually yung aking favorite place. Hindi naman ako nagiinom at nagbabar, pero gusto ko to. Itong pub na to. Kasi yung dingding niya, merong mga beer bottles at yung taas niya, yung kanyang ceiling, ay yung mga tray naman. Ang ganda dito, diba? Ayan mga ceiling. Punong-puno ng tray. Marami lagi ditong tao lalo na sa gabi. Ngayon, hapon pa lang, maraming tao na diba? Uminom lang sila ng tig-isang round, then kailangan na nating umalis kasi we're still going to Aachen at doon ang ating dinner for Rico Baby's birthday. On the way to the car, nadaanan namin uli ang gustong-gusto ko tong table na to, amethyst table. Super beautiful. Ayan, last picture na ng Brussels. At tayo ay aalis na. We're going to Germany na. Bye for now, Brussels. At kami pupunta na ng Germany.
Sa harapan natin ganda, may dalawang statue.